Good morning. So Haley and I are going to go to Kroger and get some things on our grocery list. Yes, and she's starting soccer tonight. You'll be just like Sissy, right?
Yeah.
We went to Kroger and now we're going to go through a car wash. Haley, do you like car washes?
No.
You don't? Why not?
Because I don't want to. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, it's fun.
No.
Haley, it's okay. It's fun in a car wash. It's fun in car washing. Here it comes. See how fun this is? So bad, right? Kind of loud, huh?
Not so bad.
That's not so bad.
Not so bad.
Look above, you can see it. To drive through. See, car wash wasn't so bad, right? So Haley's taking a nap right now, and while she naps, I'm going to have some green tea, and I also like to add a little bit of peppermint in it too, a peppermint tea bag in it too. And hopefully that'll give me a little boost of energy because I'm having a 3 o'clock rut right now where I'm just tired and I need some caffeine in my body. Oh no, I think this is gonna happen. So good.
You're gonna be like me when you grow up.
Haley,
I want to go on my soccer team.
we're going to your soccer practice.
No, I don't in my soccer team.
On your soccer team, you're gonna meet everybody on your soccer team?
Yeah. Is she actually gonna have a team? Like,
No, it's just,
my
you know.
soccer team. Yeah.
Okay, I gotta get your water bottle and we gotta go, okay?
Hey, Mom.
All right. Oh yeah, you get free Timbits.
Oh yeah, don't lose that, okay?
Okay. Hello. So we're gonna do an experiment. So there's an egg and you put it in vinegar and you wait 1 day and it's in 1 day for the egg in the vinegar, and then after the day, I guess what happens?
After
then?
24 hours, it has a whole completely different texture. So,
How do we do this? This looks gross.
oh my gosh, that looks so cool. And I
touch it?
actually, wait, be gentle with it. We don't want to break it
Oh my
yet.
gosh, it's like, yeah, you feel it.
I want to feel it. Oh my gosh, that feels so cool.
Like literally, you can squish it, guys. Look at this, okay?
Oh my gosh.
You can squish it. Can I open it now?
Not yet. I want Haley to touch it too.
Touch it.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh.
I want to feel this part. What? Ew!
John. It slipped out of Izzy's hand.
This feels cool.
All right, let's start cleaning it up.
It's hard to rip, guys. Look. Look. It's hard to rip.
Don't go to the carpet.
Yeah, don't go to the car. Well, that was a quick experiment. It wasn't a complete fail. Okay, now I got this at the, where'd I get this? The Goodwill for, no, Salvation Army for $1. And it's a Kinetic rock where you have a rock crusher. Concasul. Okay, so the girls are gonna play with this.
Okay, so the first thing is this.
You know what
we got
to
this
do?
toy, and then we got this toy. And we have toys pretty much. And
And
they have already done it.
look at Rex in the window. Rex,
And this, I got
is it cool?
this. It feels like a rock. Oh my gosh, this is literally like slime.
Phil. Oh, I know. That's why I got it. I was like, well, actually, Mama bought it, and I was like,
Oh my
Izzy
gosh,
is gonna
this
love
is
it.
awesome. Like, look.
Cool. Okay. You guys.
Look at that, it's like a spider web.
That's cool. Okay,
Okay.
and it crushes the head. I'll do it. Give me that one. You put it in there.
I should put this in my slime. I look like a tiny bit in my slime. To make this crunchy. Oh my